everybody. Welcome to MSA with Miss A. I am your host for today. My name is Coach Abby. We are at the Makeup Science Asia headquarters, and today we have a special guest. This is one of our professional makeup artist graduates. Her name is Erica, and today we are gonna be doing our makeup with you guys while we catch up with each other. Kumusta ka naman, girl?
Mabuting-mabuti naman. Hello, Appsters! Makeup Science Asia followers, hello! Finally!
Ang tagal natin hindi nagkita.
Yes, definitely.
Pero madalas tayong mag-usap online. Like
Yes.
we usually talk online kasi pinapasahan namin siya ng gigs
Yes.
and all. So ayan, madalas naman kami nagkakausap. So today, magme-makeup kami, magchichikahan tayo. Sumali kayo sa chikahan natin. Mag-leave
Yes.
kayo ng questions dun sa comments. And kung ikaw ay graduate at gusto mong makipag-chikahan dito sa amin sa studio, mag-comment ka lang dyan. Ayan guys. So anong araw na ngayon? January 14 na ngayon.
Yes.
At this point, Erica, gaano ka nakatagal na makeup artist?
Actually, simula nung student pa lang ako sa iyo, mom, dito sa Makeup Science Asia. Nag-ano na ako, binibigyan na ako ng gigs ng Makeup Science Asia. So, I can call myself...
While you were enrolled?
Yes.
Oo.
So, I can call myself a professional makeup artist na kasi I'm being paid na while student ako ng Makeup Science Asia.
Oh, okay. So, gaano na nga katagal yun? Kailan ka ba nag-enroll? Parang pandemic pa lang.
Yes. Actually, nag-inquire ako before the pandemic.
Okay.
I was looking for, something na pwedeng pagkabalahan and, something na pwedeng pagkakitaan din eventually. And hindi naman ako nagkamali. At sobrang swak na swak yung napuntahan kong place, napuntahan kong tao.
Ay,
Yeah.
nasa tamang tao pala si Erica.
Yes.
Sana
my forever.
Forever pala sa makeup.
Yes.
Okay. Pero, ito, I remember, parang tita talks to. Kasi
Okay.
pareho na tayo tita.
Yes.
Oo, I remember clearly kasi during the time that you enrolled, konti pa lang yung teachers.
Yes.
Tapos we would spend a lot of time together. So, naalala ko noon, mom, you would often say na you feel like you're too old
Yeah.
to start a career. If you would allow us,
Mhm.
can you state your age? Para naman, hindi kasi guys, yung youngest student namin is 8 and our eldest is 79. So, magaling kaming mag-adjust pagdating sa ages ng mga students namin.
That's true. Ako, I'm 46. So, 47 na ako this year.
Oh,
2024. Yeah.
Tapos nag-start ka sa amin, parang you were 43.
Exactly.
Something like
Yeah.
that.
Mm-mm.
Pero like initially, what did you feel? Like, did you really feel, ang naalala ko kasi you felt a little bit scared na you might be too old for a shift in career.
Yes. Nung una, syempre parang totoo yun kasi nakikita ko kasi sa mga beauty endorsers, sa mga makeup artists, sobrang babata eh. Nahuli. So,
Wait lang. Okay. So, anong sinasabi mo na huli?
So, feeling ko, masyado akong nahuli sa pag-realize na this is what I want pala.
Oo. So, parang late bloomer-ish yung dating mo.
Yes, that's true. And thankfully naman talaga ang Makeup Science Asia, walang pinipiling edad. Ganun nila wini-welcome ang mga students. At saka kahit na hindi kayo students or hindi kayo naka-enroll, talagang very generous ang Makeup Science Asia sa pagbigay ng mga answers sa mga questions, sa pagtuturo. Talagang marami talaga kayong matututunan. And well, initially, akala kong marunong na ako eh. I can still remember, mom, sabi ko sa'yo, pwede bang diretso na ako sa professional? Tapos sabi mo sa akin, try mo muna ang basic kasi you'll never know, baka marami ka pang matututunan kasi I'm sure na marami pa.
Yeah. Kasi
Yeah.
during that time, you were already kind of doing makeup.
Yes, meron akong crash course. Parang 1 day for basic, tapos 3 days for advanced.
Marami
Yeah.
nag-enroll sa amin na ganun. Like,
Yeah.
galing sila sa mga workshop.
Yeah, yung ganun. Tapos, siya, mom, hindi ka nagkamali. As in, nagulat talaga ako. Dami ko pa palang dapat pag-aralan. And ang Makeup Science Asia kasi talagang true to the word itself na na science. Talagang maiintindihan mo kung bakit ganun. Hindi lang basta dahil hype yung product na yun. Talagang maiintindihan mo kung bakit mo siya kailangan or ba't hindi mo naman talaga siya kailangan. Yung mga ganun.
Pero alam mo, I think that applies to most of us. Uy, may mag-hello daw, guys. Pakita ka naman dyan, madam.
Hi, guys!
Ayan. Anyway, I think that applies to most of us. No? Once you reach a certain age, it's kind of difficult to come to terms with may gusto ka pa rin gawin.
Yes.
Sometimes, nafe-feel natin na it's too late to learn something new. Pero here, I believe one of my advocacies in life is to try to push people and inspire people to really still try their best and explore new things. Kasi grabe, nakakapagod maging adult. Kumusta na?
True.
And I've been in this industry for a really long time. But then again, sometimes I still feel like I want to do something else, try out other stuff. Kasi while makeup is my favorite thing in the world, I still get tired of it sometimes. Yan, that's very, very true, guys, to most of us here. Especially yung mga students and graduates namin like Erica, na who are already in their 40s, late 30s, 50s even, and 60s who want to explore makeup. So, andun na tayo sa point na we both enjoy beauty, makeup, and stuff like that. Pero anong nag-push sa'yo para maging professional makeup artist?
Na-realize ko kasi na maraming pwedeng pagkakitaan sa if you know makeup. So, not just by applying makeup on others, marami pa eh. Pwede kang magturo, pwede kang maging consultant, marami pa. So, aside from that na maganda siyang source of income kasi talaga naman, pag nakuha mo yung tamang market, talaga yung kikitain mo, it's really, sobrang sulit yung mga magiging investment mo. Like, yung pag-enroll ko sa Makeup Science Asia, it's one of the good investments na talagang na ipundar ko para sa sarili ko and for my family. Kasi, talagang one of, main source of income na namin to.
I'm so happy that it's working out for you. We're friends like on social media, so I
Yeah.
get to see her gigs and whatever she's doing. So I'm so glad that that's working out for you. Because I also remember that when you enrolled, one of your problems were yung schedule. Like you didn't know if it would fit your schedule kasi she's a full-time virtual assistant.
That's right.
Ayan. Forever forever night shifter to si Erica eh.
That's true.
Ayun. So, pag binabatuhan namin siya ng gigs, it's either tuwing off niya or whenever you're
Ay, hindi sagasa sa
schedule. Yun.
Yeah.
Pero gusto ko tong tinatanong, ma'am. I'm always curious kung anong type of knowledge yung meron ka when it comes to makeup. When you started with Makeup Science Asia, that's one of our student profiling things. Like, tinatanong namin yung students namin kung ano currently yung knowledge mo in makeup. Like, 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest, 5 being the highest. At that point, what was your knowledge you felt like?
At that point, I think, feeling ko noon nasa mga 4 na ako kasi nga meron na akong training.
Oo nga.
Pero nung pumasok ako ng basic, oh my God, back to 1.
Back to
Na-realize ko, oh my
Grabe.
God. Oh,
yung knowledge, ako ang gagamitin ko. Get ready with me. Yung blush na kami, guys. Local brands tayo,
yes.
Okay. Pero, to me, kasi I feel like when you're talking about your current knowledge in makeup, I really don't take much credit on that kasi dynamic ang makeup artistry eh. Like, every so often, may nadadagdag na bagong technique. Kaya it's important na you stay communicated with us as a graduate kasi na-update ka rin sa mga bagong techniques. Madalas ka manood ng live stream eh.
Yes.
Oo.
Siyempre may top badge ako, di ba? No?
Madalas naman ng live stream eh.
Yeah. And even before pa ako, hindi pa ako student, nanonood na talaga ako. Sa YouTube pa kayo nun lagi, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can still remember that. Tsaka, grabe, dami ko talagang natututunan. Kaya, I don't know, yun na talaga yung nag-trigger. Talagang wala na, push na to.
Push na to.
Yes.
Ang dami mong gigs though. What's your, can you tell us more about yung mga naging memorable na gigs mo with Makeup Science Asia?
Sobrang dami. Gusto mo ba marinig lahat? Gusto niyo ba marinig lahat? Well, umpisahan ko na lang dun sa unang-una.
Yung sobrang kabadong-kabado ka.
Yes, yung unang-una ko. Kasi wala akong idea na it was a big production. Well, for me, it's big na. And
Sinadya ko yun na hindi sabihin sa'yo kasi alam kong pangungunahan ka ng kaba. So, I know this really famous photographer and studio owner, hey Justin, what's up, that is looking for a makeup artist. So, ako ang ugali ko, ini-endorse ko talaga yung magagaling na. At that point naman kasi si Erica was very diligent with homework, nagpa-practice siya, and I can see na nagpe-prepare siya for every single class. So, I think she would perform the same. Ang ganda ng blush mo.
yeah.
Okay. So, anyway,
you.
okay, sige, tell us more about that game.
Ayun. So, initially, ma'am, dalawa dapat kami. Diba? Parang ganun eh, dapat dalawa kami. So, ang ending, ako lang mag-isa.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, ano pala yun? It's for a social media ad na for 6 brands. 6 brands, tapos 2 TikTokers, tapos sabay yun. Kasi malaking studio ni Sir Justin.
Malaki nga yung
So, pwedeng sabay na 2 production na nangyayari. So, mag-isa lang ako, 2 talent. Tapos, ayun, grabe. Sobrang kabado kasi first time ko sa production. Alam mo yung naririnig ko na, syempre hindi ko alam na sobrang kailangan pala, mabilisan pala talaga to production mo.
Gulat ka dun eh, no?
Oo, talagang, tumawag talaga ako sa'yo, di ba, ma'am?
Fast and Furious.
Umiyak na talaga ako. Kasi talagang, oh my God, bakit ganito
Iniisip ko pa noon, shocks, pupuntahan ko ba to? Parang hindi siya magpo-perform. Siyempre ako, for transparency, I told Justin na student siya.
Yeah.
And internship niya to. Pero in fairness, nagbabayad si Justin. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga kumukuha sa graduates namin and binabayaran niyo sila. Thank you. Singit ko lang ngayon. Sobrang thank you. Okay, tapos?
Yeah. Tapos, alam mo, totoo yun, ma'am. Actually, hindi ko alam yun. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na sinabihan mo si Sir Justin na gano'n. Pero alam mo kasi, narinig ko si Sir Justin, sinasabihan niya yung ma'am, yung talent, yung TikTokers na, be kind to this. Kasi actually, may kasabay din ako ng mga photographers na mga student din. So, sinasabihan niya yun na be kind to them, be nice, na mga baguhan pa to, they're students also. So, be kind to them, be nice, be patient, para mga ganon. Pero sasabihin nyo kung ano yung mga ayaw nyo, tsaka yung mga gusto nyo.
Mm-hmm.
So, ang pinaka-challenge doon, ma'am, unang-una, kailangan mabilis.
Oo.
Dapat, syempre, lakado makeup mo. Kasi, video and...
Sa studio lights pa.
Yeah. Video and photo. So, for ads yun. And then, after makeupan yung isa naman. So, shoot yung isa after makeupan, tapos, yung makeupan ko yung isa for another look, and then, ganun, basta, dire-diretso ako maghapon. Talagang wala talaga akong pahinga.
Tapos naiiyak ka pa
Yes.
while all of this is happening.
Yeah. Pero alam mo, ma'am, talagang yun talaga ang, yun na yata yung breakthrough.
Uy,
Yes.
spell.
Yes. Wag na. Yun ang umpisa.
Tama na to! Bakit naman may nagsispell?
Anyway, ma'am, yun talaga. Kasi, ang swerte ko, ma'am, that time, andun yung mga, partners ni Sir. Bali, tatlo sila, not sure kung tama yun. Pero tatlo sila doon na parang production manager. Basta, meron din pala silang iba pang mga outside na mga production. May sarili-sarili din sila.
Oo, nakakuha siya ng maraming offers.
Yes. So, simula nun, doon ko sila na-meet, doon ko sila nakilala. From there, sa ibang projects nila na solo-solo nila, na kanya-kanya nila, ako na rin yung kinukuha nila. So, doon ako nakabuo ng network.
Nako, so important to build your network.
Yes.
When you are in the beauty industry, in the production industry actually.
Yes.
Kailangan marami kang kilala. And ito, naalala ko, sinabi ko to kay Erica, yung pag-build ng network, hindi siya built around pagiging plastic.
That's right.
Just rubbing elbows or, it's genuinely looking for connections na similar yung principles mo with. Kasi mahirap makipagtrabaho sa mga tao na hindi mo kapareho ng prinsipyo.
That's true.
Yon. So, dahil maganda yung work ethics nung mga pinakilala ko kay Erica, nag-step up siya, ginandahan niya din yung work ethics niya. Tapos, ayun, sumunod-sunod na lang yung mga offers.
That's true.
Ano yung mga favorite moments mo? Yung mga moments na masasabi mo, oh my gosh, I think I'm making it, or I think I made it, or I think I'm already a professional makeup artist.
Yung isang, kasi after nung kay Sir Justin, binigyan ulit ako ni Sir Justin na siya na mismo yung naghahanap sa akin. So, pero he promised me kasi na talagang tutulungan niya akong mag-build ng portfolio kasi he knows na I'm new.
Mm-mm.
So, ang dami kong swerte ko, di ba? Andyan na yung MSA, tapos andyan pa si Sir Justin. So, from there, binigyan niya na ako ng sunod-sunod pa na gigs. I think yung pinaka masasabi ko na
Pivotal
feel
moment.
ko talaga na I'm really good kasi syempre pag una mo, ma'am, ang dami mong iniisip, kukunin pa kaya ako.
Self-doubt.
Yes,
Oo.
mga ganun, naging okay kaya, umasa kaya ako, mga ganun. So, after a few gigs pa, doon ko na-realize na, oh my God, talaga palang okay pala yung gawa ko. Kasi merong isang gig na international, yun yung sa HSBC Europe, na kinuha ako. Doon ko talaga naramdaman ako. Kasi yung director doon, dati siyang director ng MTV sa Europe. So, oh my God, this is it, pansit.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Pero marami pa.
So, pa-English ka dun, ma'am?
Yes. ang pinakamalupit na English na naganap doon, ma'am, let's wrap it up. Bilisan mo.
Let's wrap it up.
Yeah.
Lumpia ka, girl.
Yeah. Yun. And then, napakarami, ma'am. Pero ang isa pa is yung nakarating na yung gawa ko sa malls.
Ay, oo.
Yes.
Grabe. Sinadya niya na pumunta ng North EDSA para magpa-picture dun sa poster niya.
Yes, ma'am. At hindi lang yun. Di ba, it's for a catalog. Itong gig na to, bigay rin to ng MSA. So, it's for a brand, it's for a local brand. Na iniisip ko na yun, ma'am, kaya makarating to, aabot kaya tong mga pictures na to sa packaging?
Oo.
Yun ang nasa isip ko nung una. Tapos, hindi ko akalain na makakarating kami sa estante sa malls. Oh my God, sa department store ng SM North EDSA. And then, since catalog siya, it's for a whole year na na iba-iba per month, iba-iba yung theme. So, that was 2022. And then, early 2023, pumunta ako ng Davao, February. Nagpapatanong ako sa mga pinsan ko before that, meron ba kayo nakikita sa mga SM malls dyan na ganitong brand? Napunta kami ng SM. So, sa inisip ko, malaki yung SM doon. Sabi ko, baka merong dito, Watsons sa malaki. So, meron nga. Tapos, pagpunta ko sa Watsons, nakita ko doon, oh my God, para akong nakakita ng maraming angels and all that, may mga ulap-ulap. Nakita ko doon kasi
Ma'am, baka iba na yan, ha?
kasi
Huwag ka sasama sa liwanag mo.
Yes. Kasi ma'am, dun sa SM department store sa may North EDSA, nasa baba yung parang nasa gilid ng mga estante yung mga pictures. Dun sa Davao, nasa taas.
Wow.
Nasa taas talaga siya. Kahilera nila Vice Cosmetics, ganun. So talagang sobrang proud na proud talaga. Ako talagang, oh my God, yung gig na yun was done 2022. Pero 2023, naka-display
Na
pa
meron
rin
pa
siya.
rin, oo.
Yes. Di ba ang saya-saya, ma'am? Were you proud of me? Kasi pinost ko yun eh. Thank you.
Oo nga, proud nga ako sa'yo nung nakita ko yun.
Thank you so much. Actually, gusto ko lang din maging proud ka kasi. Siyempre, sa'yo ako galing, pinanganak mo ako. Diba?
Sa uterus ko.
Yes, yun.
Actually, marami rin akong moments na ganyan na feeling ko, I've made it. I mean, not similar to yours kasi hindi naman ako practicing professional makeup artist. Pero I have a lot of moments where I feel like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that this is happening to me, that my work is being recognized this way. Masarap sa feeling yun, no?
Yes.
Kasi for many people, like, one of the goals of Makeup Science Asia is to, yung talagang patayin yung stigma na mura lang ang mga makeup artist, madali lang yung mga trabaho namin. Talagang as much as possible ang gusto namin is maging maging thriving tayo sa industry. Kaya ayaw na ayaw namin guys, yung merong mga naniningil pa rin ng 500, 300. Uy, tama na yan.
Sobrang kawawa.
2024 na, hinihilan yung industry pababa kung
That's
ganyan. Hinihilan yung industry pababa. We all need to talk. Wow. Nagpa-meeting di avance. Pumunta kayo lahat dito, mag-usap-usap tayo. Kailangan meron tayo pare-parehong rate. Charot.
Huwag natin ibenta ng mababa yung sarili natin. Kasi, syempre, kailangan ibenta mo ng tama yung sarili mo. I mean, hindi naman yung bentang benta yung
Sabi mo dyan.
paninda lang.
May MTRCB tayo dito.
So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin maniwala na kailangan natin makuha yung nararapat para sa ginagawa natin. Kasi skills natin, yung mga investment natin, hindi naman yan mura eh. Tissue pa lang mahal na. Diba?
Tissue pala.
Yes.
Anyway, so masasabi mo na, I know na it comes with a lot of perks. Being a makeup artist, it comes with a lot of perks. Pero you know what I like hearing from our students is yung purposeful siya para sa'yo. Like, do you find the happiness whenever you're doing someone's makeup na not happiness of your own, but more of like, oh, it's so nice what I did. Na wala siyang kinalaman sa pera. Kasi I think we've established na napagkakakitaan mo talaga siya.
Yes.
Pero yung walang kinalaman sa pera. Ako kasi I find my job as a makeup teacher, as someone who owns and operates a makeup school, I find purpose in it. Na kaya, di ba lagi yung sinasabi sa team, lagi nang sinasabi sa team na sobrang hardworking ko, sobrang hands-on ko. Pero yung service kasi na dinideliver namin sa mga students namin is so important to me. Gusto ko talaga ma-feel ng students na they're really learning, that this is something that they can do for themselves, therapeutic, whether it's a self-application class or a professional course. How about you? Anong purpose mo that goes beyond yung anong klaseng fulfillment meron ka that goes beyond just earning money?
Ako kasi, I'm an undergraduate. So, eto pa lang yung unang-unang parang feeling ko natapos ko.
Oh, na may certificate ka.
Yes. And kaya ko palang maging magaling. Kaya ko palang magaling in such a way na hindi lang ako yung nakakakita. Na share ko sa iba yung galing ko at saka meron palang fulfillment na kakaiba pagka nakagawa ka. Yun like yung after, may bayad o wala Kasi syempre meron tayong mga mga dumaan din tayo ng internship, yung mga ganyan. Pero mararamdaman mo pagkatapos ng lahat, after mo mag-makeup, pagtapos mo mapagod, na ang saya-saya sa pakiramdam, nakita mo ang ganda ng gawa mo, dahil malabas siya sa mga ads. And at the same time, nakikita ko na proud sa akin ng family ko, ng mga friends ko,
Ay, oo.
na, uy, nakita kita, uy, wow, ang laki na ng improvement mo. Parang, hindi ko maisip kung sa paano paraan ko makikita yung gawa ko na naka sa ibabaw ng instante, kung hindi sa makeup, kung hindi doon.
Oo nga, that's true. Ako rin alam niyo sa totoo lang, parang I feel like I could thrive in an industry if I would get enough training. Pero I feel like dito talaga ako magaling sa pagtuturo, sa pagta-transfer ng knowledge. So, ayan, lesson yan sa inyo. If you're failing at one thing, it's not because you're bad. It's
That's true.
because you're just in the wrong space. You just have to find your space in the world, your place in the world. Like us, we found our place in the makeup industry. And dito kami nagtatrive kasi dito kami magaling, dito kami passionate.
That's true.
Yon, okay. So, how has your life changed? Like, kahit ano to, ma'am? Like, finances, your mental health, your happiness. How has your life changed because of the learnings that you've gained from Makeup Science Asia? How has your life changed ever since you became a professional makeup artist?
Yeah. Well, financially, syempre, pag nakuha mo yung tamang market, malaki talaga yung kita. Talagang kahit hindi mo siya araw-arawin, maganda talaga yung kita.
Oh, kasi until now, may full-time job ka pa din.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes, and kung sakali man na wala akong full-time job, maraming paraan para kapagkakitaan mo siya eh. Pagkadating naman sa other areas aside from finances, na-realize ko, ma'am, na meron kasi isang client na nagtanong sa akin, bakit ako nag-aral, tapos nagugulat sila na late na ako nag-umpisa, ganun. Tapos sabi ko, it was like a coping mechanism for me kasi that time, grabe yung grabe insecurities ko. Tapos meron akong pinagdadaanan na mabigat sa family ko family problem na parang wala nang ibang magagawa talaga kundi tanggapin. And sobrang down na down ako. So this, itong turn ko to makeup, ito yung napapakalma niya. Napapakalma niya yung isip ko. At the same time, gumagaling ako kasi kumakalma ako habang ginagawa ko siya, tapos nagpa-practice ako.
Nakakakalma nga mag-makeup.
Yes.
It requires concentration
Mm-mm.
So, hindi pwedeng pag nag-makeup ka kung ano-anong ka-negativan yung iniisip.
So true. At saka, ma'am, napansin ko ha. Lagi ko ito sinasabi sa husband ko eh. Huwag mo akong iinisin kasi pag mag-makeup ako, baka hindi maganda yung maging output.
Oh, pag bad trip ka.
Yes, di ba? Yun. But anyway, syempre, hindi mo naman maiwasan. Minsan, pag sobrang stressful talaga yung situation sa isang production, parang ganun. May times talaga na, pero syempre, you won't let that affect you Diyan papasok yung professionalism mo. And then, what else? Ayun, yun nga, yung kakulangan ko sa ibang parte ng buhay ko, like yung hindi ako nakatapos ng college, dito ko na fulfill. Parang ito yung pumupuno. Tapos hindi na ako masyadong, there's something for me to be proud of, so hindi ako nakakapag-focus sa mga insecurities ko. Wala na akong time. Imbis na, alam mo yun, wala na akong time para malungkot, mag-isip ng syempre dumarating din naman tayo, hindi natin nararanasan yun. Pero yun na yung, this is the cure for me. Ikaw, coach?
Ako, maraming nagagawa para sa akin. Well, in general, I think kasi, na when you like what you do, okay, first of all, hindi totoo na find something that you like and then do it, and then you'll feel like you'll never work a day in your life. I mean, I can confidently say that I put in a lot of leg. Like,
Yeah.
pagod ako on a regular basis. But then again, the stress is happy stress.
True.
So, dahil mga tita na tayo guys, kami, personally, mahirap nang mag-juggle ng personal life, family life, tapos, this type of career. Personally sa akin, nakakatulong siya sa mental health ko kasi when you're really, really busy, tapos gusto mo yung kinabibisihan mo, ang sarap sa feeling, ibang klase yung fulfillment. Yun. Sa future plans, Erica, anong balak mo? Like, in the future, how do you see yourself in the next 30 minutes?
Actually, that's a good question. Actually, ma'am, lagi kong iniisip yan. Kasi ilang taon na ako? 47 na ako. This year, 47. So, in a few years, oh my God, 50 na ako.
Ang lala ng midlife crisis ko din. Invited ba ako?
Siyempre naman, lahat tayo naka-gown.
Dibu?
Yes!
As a Disney princess.
Yes.
Okay.
Pwede rin namang ibahin natin tayo mga kontrabida sa Disney.
Mga villain,
Yes!
okay.
Mga ganyan naman. Ibahin natin. Para bongga talaga yun. May mga sungay-sungay. But anyway, naisip ko yan lagi, ma'am. Parang feeling ko hanggang ngayon nag-aral pa rin ako. Kasi laging may bago eh.
Oo.
Laging may
Alam
bago.
mo, totoo yan. Like,
Mm-mm.
even in the world of business, or kahit ano pang ginagawa, dyan nyo, guys, ito advice from us. Dyan kayo makakakuha ng edge. If you feel like you're so old or too old for something, one of the things that you can do is to ensure na you keep on learning.
Yeah, that's true. Kasi pag hindi, mahuhuli ka eh. Lalo na pag lumabas ka na, tapos may kasabay ka ibang mga makeup artist.
Actually, ayoko yung term na nahuhuli. Kasi I don't want this to feel like a contest between different makeup artists, but more of like a competition with yourself.
Yeah.
Like, you're better from who you were yesterday, a year ago,
Mm-mm.
ganon. So, anong future plans mo?
Sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, kasi I believe in manifesting. No?
Kung sasabihin St. Peter plan.
Huwag naman gano'n. Ako
Grabe
naman.
naman.
Gusto ko pang maka-discount sa sinihan, mga libre-libre, mga gano'n. Pabuti mo naman ako sa gano'n. Tsaka yung may cake ka every birthday mo. Gusto ko naman ng gano'n. Well, basta ako, ang nasa isip ko, pangarap ko bilang professional makeup artist, makita ko yung gawa ko sa billboard. Yeah. I'm really hoping na yung last na gig ko for social media at makarating sa billboard. It's sobrang matinding pangarap yun. Pero sana, kasi nangyari yung sa nakarating kami sa malls, di ba?
Oo.
So, hopefully, di ba, maganda rin ang nito. Para sa akin, as long as merong kukuha sa akin, may gusto ng serbisyo ko talaga, hindi ako titigil sa pag-makeup, mom. It's very therapeutic at saka very fulfilling para sa akin. Parang hindi nawawala yung na isipin na matanda na ako. Parang ganun.
Alam niyo, sobrang valid ng feeling. Tsaka masakit sa katawan mag-makeup ng iba.
Yes, ang sakit sa likod mo.
Masakit sa
Siguro
likod.
kung bata ka, hindi mo masyadong maramdaman. Pero pagka medyo ganitong edad ko na lalo, layo ng depression ng edad natin, no? Talagang dami ko nang nararamdaman.
Anong piece of advice mo? Patapos na kami, guys, magli-lipstick na lang kami. Anong advice ang mabibigay mo sa mga aspiring makeup artists or kahit sino na gustong mag-join in dito sa beauty community, gustong matutong mag-makeup even at a later stage in their adult? Like yung genuine na feeling mo, naging struggle mo, tas paano mo sila na-overcome?
Yes. Unang-una sa lahat, syempre, kung gusto mo ng, I think, pag-aralan mo kung paano mo mape-penetrate yung market na gusto mo. So, unang-una, alamin mo kung saan ka dapat pupunta, like, social media ba, mag-enroll ka ba. Ako kasi talagang the best na route ako yung pagpunta ko ng Makeup Science Asia.
Bentang-benta naman kami, baka isipin nila ano lang.
Ma'am, isipin mo na lang yun. Paano na lang kung nag-aaral ako ng makeup on my own? Anong market ang makukuha ko?
Generally na lang, look for a mentor.
Yes. I don't think na all mentors can actually give opportunities like what I got.
Tama na yan!
Yeah. But then, moving forward, ang isa pa, ma'am, na advice ko sa mga aspiring makeup artists, be humble. Tanggapin natin na kahit magaling tayo.
Hindi ko yan naririnig sa mga young.
Talaga mo?
Humility.
Yes.
I think it's because when you're younger, you have so much to prove.
I think so too. At saka iba yung ngayon.
Pero guys, humility encompasses a lot. When you're humble, it doesn't mean na you're quiet. It doesn't mean na you're
na mura yung bayad sa'yo.
Oo. When you're humble, in our age, when you're humble, it means na you're willing to learn.
That's right.
You're willing to admit your mistakes. You're willing to correct your mistakes. Ayan. And then you're willing to be mentored. Ayan. That's humility for us. So, hindi namin sinasabi na wag nyong ipagmalaki yung mga ginagawa nyo. Kasi part of being a professional makeup artist is really getting yourself out there.
That's correct.
And showing your portfolio.
Yes.
Ayun.
And then, another thing I would say is kung nakakuha naman na kayo ng mentor. Like for example, pumasok kayo ng Makeup Science Asia. Lahat ng sinasabi ni Coach Abby, isulat nyo kasi totoo lahat. Like at one time, sabi mo sa akin, Coach Abby, I'd like you, I can see you na nasa production ka. Sabi mo sa akin, sa teatro ka. Yun ang sabi mo sa akin. And saan na ba ako ngayon?
Yun
So,
na nangyari.
doon talaga nangyari.
Pino-profile ko kasi yung students. Para hindi, I mean, as a mentor, they need the guidance. You guys need the guidance.
That's
So,
true.
kapag nakitaan ko kayo ng certain characteristics, pinupush ko talaga.
Yeah.
Okay, so, yun na nga, maglilip.
Bilin.
Romand. Thank you for giving us your time. Super
Welcome.
thankful ako. Alam niyo, in fairness kay Erica, pag tinawag ko talagang andyan. Very willing mag-volunteer para sa mga ganitong ganap. And this is the pilot episode, so we're just testing out the waters. But it was fun seeing you again. Tulad nga ng sinasabi namin, no, on a regular basis, nakakapag-usap naman kami. But it's more of yung mabilisan lang na, ma'am, meron akong gig for you. pwede mo bang i-check tong ano na to, or mga pag nagtatanong lang siya, like may mga follow-up questions kasi learning process pa rin talaga, no? Kahit nag-graduate ka na.
That's true.
Okay, ayan. So, ito ang aming final look, guys. Oh, Eva! Thank you so much for joining us today. I would say, hindi kasi na-preempt tong interview na to. Hindi
Yes.
alam ni Erica yung mga itatanong ko na questions. Nung una tinatanong niya, anong itatanong ko? Siyempre, dapat on the spot. Okay. Thank you so much. I had so much fun. Thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome. Thank you so much, MSA, for everything. Coach Abby, love you so much.
Tissue!
Thank you, Absters,
Ayan.
MSA followers.
Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Let us know if you want more of these videos here on our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And we remind you to keep on learning and, of course, stay beautiful. Bye!